All right. So what do people use when planting really tiny seeds? I never thought about it. Then I stumbled on one in a seed catalog. Not sure if theirs is worth the price, so I wondered what others use. I found a small seed dispenser. Thought it was gimmicky at first, but then realized that my arthritic hands might find something like that useful. I would say seed dispensers is one of them.
Tweezers.
Tweezers, yeah.
You can take an index card and fold it and V it and put the seeds in and tap the bottom of that V and distribute it that way.
We used to use a seed dispenser.
There's ones in which you kind of it sucks the seeds up and you kind of like a syringe and you pop it and they plant. A toothpick with some a wet damp toothpick, pick the seed up, and we're talking tiny seeds like there's some flower seeds, oregano, carrots, but you would want the carrot seeds you do not want to plant indoors. You want to direct sow them outside, but tiny.
Another option is if you have those tiny seeds. Is especially with carrots is to make seed tape. Seed
tape is another one, yeah. If you are starting your seeds indoors and they're not root crops, they're like talked about oregano or thyme, very small seeds. There's nothing wrong with just pinch scattering, just grab a pinch of it, scatter it in the seed cell, and then let it grow for a couple of weeks, and then divide it out gently and maneuver it to do that.
Now, there's nothing wrong with using any sort of tool or aid that will help you, whether it be starting seeds, planting in your garden, weeding in your garden, etc. And you want to not feel ashamed about that. Just some old timey proud gardener. I never did this back in my day. Don't worry about that.
It's time to do it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Use what you need to do.
Yeah.